Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about something a little different, and that is these D&D paint sets. Each come with their own miniature, and each paint set is dedicated to just that mini and painting it. And I'm gonna just completely spoil it. It's completely worth it. The amount of paints you get for each set is ridiculous. And it's the same amount all throughout these sets, so you're not gonna get shortchanged depending on the kit the miniature that you get. It's all the same value. Incredible, actually, worth it, completely worth it. And without further ado, let me just show you. Because of my recent obsession with Baldur's Gate 3, I'm currently on my third playthrough, technically speaking third, trying to go for the golden dice, which you win if you beat it in honor mode. Yeah, I've been obsessed with Dungeons and Dragons ever since this summer, actually. And I've been wanting to talk about these minis for a while now. And look at this. Each set comes with 12 paints. 12. And the best part is it comes with brushes, a water pot, so you don't even have to buy a disposable cup for water, which is frankly ridiculous that they even included that, because everyone, I'm assuming, has something they can use for water at home. It doesn't even have to be disposable. They can just wash it later. Yeah, that's nice. That's nuts. And the best part, each Wizkids mini, even the Pathfinder ones or the Magic the Gathering ones, are all pre-primed. No need for primer. That's incredible. That's incredible value. And look at the detail. Wow. Now this is a Dwagar. He is a dwarf, primarily from the Underdark. So kind of like, not the basement. What am I thinking of, a basement? No, sorry, deep underground. Are they dwarves or gnomes? I think they're dwarves. Regardless, they primarily have bluish skin, dark bluish skin, so it does get represented here very well in the paints that's included. And they are obsessed with mining. Oh, look at that. Oh, the detail is incredible. These larger scale minis that they've done recently, the newer ones anyway, have incredible detail. Even their older ones actually have had incredible detail. Oh man, look at this Nikoloth. Wow. Wow. Same thing. Look, this one too. This Yuanti. Wow. And we'll just include the ice troll. It's probably my favorite. I love ice effects. Oh man, yeah, 12. Every single one of them gets 12 paints. Plus a mini. Finally, the last one that isn't sold out. Wow. Wow. Guys, again, well worth it. Well worth it. This is an incredible value. Perfect for anyone starting the hobby. Seriously. Recommend them one of these paint sets. They'll never go back. Let's open up this ice troll box to see what's inside. Remember kids, stay safe. Have parental supervision. So this is what comes in the box. You get the actual ice troll itself. Actually phenomenal detail. Look at that. Very nice. It's still not Games Workshop quality, but I would say it's close. It's very close, these new ones that they've made. And here are 6 of the 12. 2 brushes, you can already tell. You can already use these as paint wells and palettes. You don't need to buy any paint wells really when painting anything. Just get whatever you have in your house, and they've even kindly provided it for you. Look at that. The other 6 paints. Wow. Wow. They've outdone themselves. And it's even labeled. Look at that. Now, these are model color paints. So probably their best line of paints, up there with Game Color, though Game Color is newer as they've had a newer refresh the past year. But despite that, these are model color paints. They're incredible paints. They're actually their bread and butter, basically. That's awesome. Now, do note that these are not pre-thinned. They are not model air. They are model color, meaning that if you're going to airbrush them, make sure you have an airbrush thinner. You don't want to break your gun. All right, and make sure it is thin to skim milk like consistency, very water like. That's what you're looking for. If you're just using these two brushes or any brushes, just thin it down with water. And again, very thin. And since this is already pre-primed, 2 thin coats of just these paints should do the trick. And that's about it. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. This is incredible value. This is incredible. I'm thinking about it now in the store, and this might be the best starter set, just in terms of value, I think. This definitely beats out any Games Workshop starter set in the same price range. Yeah, not even close. So that's it for the review, guys. Again, incredible, best starter sets in the store, and probably one of the best in the business, period, or in the hobby, sorry. So yeah, that's it. Just sorry for the bad audio. The studio isn't fully set up yet, but hopefully by the end of spring, early summer, it's set up. We don't have to worry about audio anymore with the heater going on in the background. That's not going to be an issue, hopefully, with the soundproofing and whatnot. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time.